Now, see if he notices his new present. Mommy got him a cat tower so he can look out when she gets home. What are you doing, Adonis? You likes it? Hey, Ollie. The first time he's seen it. You'd rather play with Ollie. Maybe, but baby, I'm sorry. Come here. Come to mama. Look. You can get up there. And look, you see mommy's car. Mommy needs to clean the windows. The doggies have made art on it. Because they get so excited when they see mama do. Adonis, do you like your new toy? Mommy told you hurry, get you jumped into bed, y'all. Jump in your basket. You can play in your basket? It's so cute. No playing with the blinds, sir. I know that's something cats can't help themselves with. Oh, look, you can walk the window now. Don't mess with the blinds.